Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the video about factoring when C is negative. Make sure you did the factoring when C is positive video first, because I'm about to talk like you already did that one, and here we go. Okay, so just like yesterday, you want to find the factors of the number all by itself on the far right, and that want to be, the sum of those factors adds up to the thing in the middle, okay? So now with negative numbers, it's a little bit different because it's to create a negative number of the product, it has to be a negative number times a positive number. So like negative 12 it's negative 2 times 6, but it's also negative 6 times 2, right? And you want to find the factors that actually add up to what's in the middle. Now, we want to find the factors of positive 4. Now, here's kind of a hint. If the number in the middle is a positive, you want the bigger factor is the one that you want to be positive. What I mean by that is, okay, the factors of negative 12 that add up to 4 are 6 and negative 2. They are. All right. Now, if it was minus 4, it would be negative 6 and 2, because 6 plus negative 2 is 4. All right. So that means the answer for number 1 is x plus 6 and x minus. God, I can't write today. X plus 6 times x minus 2. That's actually the answer for that. Okay. Now, if you have something like number 3, where the thing in the middle is negative, you want to figure out we got to find the factors of negative 28 that add up to negative 3. Well, it's 28 and 1. Nah, that doesn't work. 2 times 14, that becomes 12. Ooh, what's left? What's the only factor left with 28 is 7 and 4. Okay. So if I want to make negative 3, which one of these has to be negative? The 7 or the 4? The 7 has to be negative. So the answer for number 3 is r minus 7, r plus 4. Okay? All right. Yeah, you could probably try the rest of these. Some of these get a little bit harder, but these are awesome questions. Number 6 looks different. That's a plus sign, so maybe it's just like yesterday. It is. Ooh. I just put a little data in there to see if you can still do yesterday. Okay, and it's also a little bit more than yesterday too, actually. So now let's try it where, you actually have to solve for the variable, okay? Which is going to be like the puzzle piece is, I want you to fill in the blanks of what are the answers. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do a couple of these. All right, factors of negative 27 that add up to 6. Well, it's 1 and 27, and there's 3 and 9, right? Now, if we want to make positive 6, which one of these has to be negative? The smaller one. So this is x minus 3, and then x plus 9 equals 0. All right, so let's start off with x minus 3. Well, that would be 3. X plus 9, that would be negative 9. Yeah. So like when it comes to how I'm having you fill it out in the puzzle piece, the smaller value would be negative 9, and the bigger value is 3. Remember, the negative numbers are always smaller than the positive ones. Okay? Let's do one that's a little harder. Let's do one with a minus symbol. Let's do number 12. Okay, so factors of 8. Ooh, that add up to -7. Okay, well, let's see. 8 is 2 and 4. Well, 4 minus 2 is 2. What else is there? Oh, yeah, there's 1 times 8. Okay, so if I want to create 1 and 8, if I want to make -7, which one of these should be negative? The 8. So that means this is y plus 1 times y minus 8 equals 0. Well, y plus 1, y is -1. Y minus 8, well, y is 8. Okay, so that's how you do all this. Hopefully this is helpful. Try the puzzle piece, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Okay?